Hare Krishna. Today I am going to make chola bhatura. So here I will be presenting you the recipe of bhatura. So guys, here I am taking all purpose flour, that is called maida. I have taken 2 cups and now I am adding rava into it, around half a cup of rava. Mix them well, adding half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of sugar. This is baking powder, not baking soda. This is baking powder, and adding 2 tablespoons of oil, any refined oil. Now mixing them well. Now here I have taken half cup of water and half cup of curd. Mix them well and now adding it into the mixture. Now adding some more curd water. Now adding normal water. It's not hot, neither it's cold. This is a normal temperature water to form a dough. This kneading is very simple. It's just like the other dough that you need for making rotis. It should be as soft as dough of a roti or chapati. It should not be very hard. Once the dough is ready, we have to take a cloth, soak it in water and cover the dough with that cloth. After 15 minutes, we have to open the dough and knead it again. You can see small bubbles form on the dough. It's a good sign. Now we have to make it smooth. Keep kneading it so that it becomes even softer. I'm throwing it with a good force to knead it better. So our dough is almost ready. Again, with the wet cloth we have to cover it and leave it for around 1 hour, or you can say 2 hours also. After 2 hours I am opening the dough and it's soft and nice. Now we are going to fry our bhaturas. So I have taken a small portion of dough into my hand and rolling it. So during this rolling process you have to keep one thing in mind, that you don't have to flip it many times. Just once or twice you can flip it, and then just keep rotating your chakla, and with the help of your belan just keep rolling the bhatura. You don't have to flip it again and again. This you have to keep in your mind. Otherwise your bhaturas will not be made nicely. See, like this. I'm just removing, I'm not removing it from the chakla. I'm just rolling it on the chakla like this. Now here I have taken heavy bottom kadhai and put some frying oil into it. This is basically sunflower oil, and see, and you have to keep in mind that the flame should be very high, your oil should be very high, very hot, and just slowly put your bhatura and just keep rotating it so that all sides of bhatura get fried. And see, one of the bhatura is ready. How easy it is, right? Now I have taken another belan which is more slim, and with the help of that belan I'm rolling this bhatura without flipping it again and again. Just once I flipped it, and then I am just rolling my bhaturas. And guys, don't worry about round shape if you're a beginner. What matter is your bhatura should be soft, fluffy and round, and yes, of course it should be like balloon. So I'm not worrying about its shape. See, it's not circular, it's almost rectangular. We try our best, but it's okay if it does not take a form of a circle. Now slowly removing it from chakla, and I will show you how to put it into the oil. We have a high flame oil, it is very hot. Just put it like this, very simple, and with the help of a service spoon, just keep rotating it, keep dabbing it, and just flip it once, and I'm pushing it downward so that the corners of the bhaturas also get fried. See, something like this. And yes, your bhatura is ready almost. So guys, hope you like this video. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment box that how was it. Goodbye.